Hello, welcome to today's quick cast for the Bay Area. This is just a very quick forecast overview for anyone who's in a rush and just wants a quick overview of what to expect. Um, so we're starting out with the satellite. You can see just some light patches of fog this morning mixing out fairly quickly. I expect this to be mixed out within the next hour or so. We do unfortunately have some wildfire smoke in the North Bay region. There's that there's a fire burning on the Sonoma coastline, and that you can see that smoke kind of going into the Santa Rosa region. Moving on now to predicted cloud cover. I mean, we're going to be under a big high pressure sort of heat dome situation, so not much to speak of in terms of cloud cover as we go into through the day today into tomorrow morning, and then you can see tomorrow into the afternoon pretty clear. Sunday same thing, and then as we go in, this is one model, take it with a grain of salt, but looking pretty clear. I think maybe some coastal fog tries to redevelop as we go into earlier next week. You see down south that might be a thing that might creep up to the Bay Area as well, but for now I'm expecting pretty clear conditions for the next few days. Just taking a look at a few different locations here, we're looking at Santa Rosa up to the upper 90s today, probably today already, and then Saturday, Sunday as well. And then by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a little bit cooler, maybe some morning fog. We'll see. If you go down to SFO, downtown SF, probably similar to this. Could be about 80, particularly Sunday and Monday. Pretty mild overnight lows, upper 50s, and then maybe dipping a little bit, but actually staying pretty warm for most of next week. If you look at Oakland, okay, about same kind of temperature range. If you look at San Jose, you're a little further inland, you get a little warmer, about maybe 90 for Sunday and Monday. If you look at Livermore, you're even further inland, looking at upper 90s till potentially at least Tuesday, and then maybe down to 93, but then right back up. Maybe a bigger cool down as we go into the 9th, 10th, but that's a far way out. Take it with a grain of salt. We'll just do Sacramento for the heck of it. See even hotter. Could be 100 degrees 3 days in a row. That's a pretty hot. That's a pretty hot spell. That's a pretty significant heat wave. It's not record breaking, but it's pretty significant. Anyways, it's supposed to be a quick cast, so not going to get too much into that. This is just the smoke forecast here for the next few hours. Unfortunately, as we go into the afternoon today, that smoke could be spreading into Marin, into San Francisco, with that northwest flow bringing it down the coastline. Unfortunately, could go into Napa, could go into Sacramento as well, because that sea breeze and the delta breeze will be pushing it into those areas. So then have your windows closed by like in the evening hours, and then as we go into midnight, middle of the night, it might get a bit better. And then unfortunately tomorrow afternoon, northwest wind again, could be a little bit more northerly, northwest, which means that smoke would go potentially into the central and south bay as well. So definitely something to watch over the next few days. Anyways, quick cast, keeping it quick. That's all I have. Thank you for watching. I hope you got something out of this. See you next time.